Hi there, I'm Tessa, and on behalf of everyone at Thane Direct, I'd like to congratulate you on your purchase of an H2O brand steam mop product. With over 12 million steam mops sold in more than 80 countries worldwide, Thane is a leader in steam mop technology. Whether it is cleaning soap scum off shower doors, refreshing couches, steaming your favorite shirt, or cleaning the kitchen floor, the power of steam is the best way to clean your entire home without harmful chemicals. We want you to have years of satisfaction with your H2O brand steam mop, and with occasional cleaning that takes just a few minutes, we know you will. Now, if you own an H2O Steam FX Pro, H2O Mop X5, H2O HD, or any other version of the H2O Steam Mop products, over the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you a few care and maintenance tips that will help improve your steam cleaning experience and help your steam mop work its very best. Keeping your steamer's boiler free of calcium and mineral deposits is important. And the easiest way to get the most out of your steam product is to use distilled water. This is because over time, calcium and mineral deposits found in regular tap water can clog your steamer and reduce the power of its performance. This is especially important if you live in a hard water area. You'll still need to occasionally clean your steamer, but if you use distilled water, this cleaning will be less frequent. However, if you've used regular tap water in your steamer, you may have noticed your steamer is working less efficiently than when first purchased. This is because when the tap water is converted into steam, residues of calcium and other minerals gather in the boiler. We recommend descaling the steamer every 25 uses or so. There are a few ways to do this. First, make sure your H2O steamer is cool and unplugged. Next, prepare a cleaning solution using white distilled vinegar, which is an acid and will dissolve calcium and magnesium. Mix a solution of 1/3 vinegar to 2/3 water and add to the water tank. Point the steamer away from the floor or any surrounding objects and plug it in. Turn the unit on and allow the unit to produce steam until the vinegar water solution is completely used. This should break down the scale that is built up in the unit. If needed, repeat the procedure until your steamer operates with normal steam flow. Now fill the water tank with water only and rinse out. Then fill the tank one last time with water and release steam until empty. Always perform a test cleaning in a suitable area to ensure there's no debris left in the system. Some H2O products come complete with a cleaning pin. This pin is a great way to clear steam outlets blocked with limescale. First, make sure your steamer is unplugged. Now swirl and push the pin up and down the small hole of the steam outlet of the main body. The pin can be used on other accessories that may be blocked with limescale. Make certain all the scale debris has been removed from the steam outlet before reassembling. If you notice calcium buildup inside the water tank, you can easily clean the tank. First, if your unit has a connected tank, unplug the unit. If the tank detaches, remove it from the unit. Now simply add 1 to 2 tablespoons of white vinegar to a full water tank. Close the tank and gently tilt it back and forth to break up the deposits. Let the unit or tank sit for a few hours. When you return, empty the water tank and rinse with clean water until clear. Finally, fill your tank with water and turn the product on. Once the steamer has completely steamed through 1 full tank, your steamer is ready to use. Here's another handy tip to keep accessories like the jet nozzle clean and free of calcium deposits. To clean these, it's recommended to use a small burst of a spray lubricant. Since we are using a lubricant, it is recommended to perform this in a well-ventilated area. Fill the steamer with water and run a continuous jet of steam through the clogged accessory for several minutes. Note that it is never recommended to add a detergent, foreign cleaning solution, or scent to the water tank that is not recommended by the manufacturer. And that's it. Again, it's best to use distilled water with your steam mop to prevent mineral deposits from forming. But if that's not possible, be sure to clean your steam boiler every 25 uses or about once a month. Following these simple tips will help you get the most out of your H2O brand steamer. And remember that it's also important to keep your cleaning cloth clean for the best result. If you find you need more cleaning cloths, check out the websites on the screen for special deals on cleaning kits and cleaning accessories. Thanks for watching.